my beautiful and amazing family. How are you all doing? Thank you very much for always supporting me. I really do appreciate. If today is the first time you are coming across this channel, this is Agatha Progress channel on YouTube, and I come across your way every blessed day. As you can see in this channel, we react to all videos, and in this channel, all opinion is highly needed in the comment section. And if you love what I am doing in this channel, why don't you click on that button that says subscribe and turn on the bell icon so that we become one big family. All right, my wonderful family, this video we're about to watch, I don't know how you felt about this video, but I do hope you got some lesson from it. All right, my wonderful people, let's go straight into the video. Now, watch it. All hail Biafra. My wonderful family, this is not the time for division, but this is the time for oneness. This is what the leader of Biafra tweet 2015. He said, I will not disappoint you, but you will be the one to disappoint me. So this time around is not a time to quarrel. It's not a time to fight ourselves, but it's a time to speak in one voice. I have a wonderful video here where a brother sent a direct message to the people of Benin, the Edo state, when they are saying the Igbos should leave their states. I don't know if you've watched the video before. The video is all over. They even went to court on this issue, and our brother is here to advise one or two words. Now let's watch.
Listen to this very important information. You see, money have been shared all over Biafran land to distract people from what they are looking for. My name is Chukwabia Manonso. I am a Biafran artist. And I want to inform all of you, over all these people ranting on social media, telling you this and that, we are Edo, we are Benin, that Igbo people should go out from Benin. Now listen to this very important information. I want to pass it across to you. Cut out this video, put it wherever you see all these people ranting on social media, telling the Igbo people to leave Benin, to leave Edo. Now listen, they have been paid, they have been bought over by the federal government of Nigeria. We are in a critical time, the time that we are supposed to be discussing about our well-being. The whole South are trying to come together. These people have seen it. They know that the South is one now. And now, the politicians have gone around, paid off some people. They have paid up some people to begin to do this petty job for them, to come up on social media and begin to tell people to leave their land. I don't know what is wrong with black people. I don't know what is wrong with the mentality of a black man, that whenever something good will want to come up, you will see some useless, hopeless individual come up with some useless idea of, trying to divide what is about to happen. They know that the Yorubas have risen up. Here, the Hausas have risen up. The East and the East has risen up. They have risen up. They are now demanding for what is theirs. But some useless set of people have gone, around, beginning to start up a live video on Facebook to thwart that very agenda of the people, to deceive people. And I want to tell you, whenever you see such a people on social media, whenever you see them, do not heed to them. Don't give consent to them, because they are all betrayers, all of them put together. Those people ranting, leave our land for us, so that Igbo people are this, or Igbo people are that. Or politicians have seen unity amongst the people. And I'm trying to convey this very information. Pass this. See, tell them, all of those people that they are using their sense to fry granuts, all of those people that they are using their head to fry granuts, they better pray that they will not meet their doom, because the God of the land is fully awake now to destroy all of them. You rant on social media asking Igbo people to do this. So many people are buying into that very idea, and some of our brethren are beginning to come up, to send abusive word to them that they are also stupid. Some people will reply you are stupid, some will reply they are stupid, and before you know it, there will be division amongst the people. Why not face the fact? Let me tell you that money is not everything. You that I have bought over to bring this unity amongst the people, you, why not caution yourself? We are in a critical time this time around. In a very sensitive time. Mazen Nnamdi Kanu is incarceration. The man fighting for your freedom and for the freedom of... That's Edo that you're talking about. That's Edo. Some of you will come on social media and begin to talk rubbish. That Igbo people want to destroy Edo, that they should leave your territory. Unbelievable. You better pray this prayer point. Because I will give you prayer points. You will pray, my Father, my Maker. Any power where one use your sense, fry granules, let them die by fire. Oh. They should all die by fire. Cut out this message. Send it to all of them that are ranting on social media, bringing disunity, discord amongst the people. Cut out this message. Send it to all of them. Ask them to retrace their steps before it will be late. This is a very important information and an urgent information. Pass it across to all of them. Share this message everywhere. Let them see it. Edo people you are talking about, we are all the same people. Speak that Edo, an average Igbo man will hear what you are saying. Speak Edo. There are some people in Ebonyi that when they speak, an Anambra man will not hear. Some people will speak in Soka, some other parts in Igbo land, the same Igbo land, will not hear. But some people will speak in that Edo, an Igbo man will hear and they will understand everything that they are talking about. And you are here telling us that Igbo people are this and these Igbo people are that. This is not the time to begin to rant on. Whenever you see all of those people talking this trash and rubbish, it will be better that you don't even give consent. As an Edo citizen, if you are an Edo, when you see them talking this rubbish on air, don't hearken to all of them. They all have been bought over. All of them have been bought over. This is a special warning to all of those people talking that rubbish and trash, trying to bring discord and disunity amongst the people. Thank you all and remain blessed. Thank you.
If you agree with me, you will notice that these days, the Southeast governors, they are trying to come together because they have sensed something. Something is not shooking them. Something is not right for them. So they are just trying their best to make sure they come together. But believe me, if we are divided, there is no way we can stand. So I bought the idea of what this our brother said. Those people that are trying to distract us, we should just leave them behind and continue with what we are doing. Yes, I say so. Leave them behind. Forget about them and continue. And the race will surely emerge. The winner will surely emerge. And Biafra will be the winner. Alright, my wonderful people. I leave you all here. If you know you haven't subscribed, subscribe and join the family.